Welcome. In today's digital age, sharing your story on Instagram is a powerful way to connect with friends, family, and followers. Whether it's a moment from your day, a special event, or something that inspires you, Instagram stories provide a fantastic platform to express yourself. Let's dive into the updated steps on how to share your story on Instagram. First, open the Instagram app on your device. If you don't have it installed yet, head over to your App Store and download it. Once you're in the app, log into your account if you haven't already. The vibrant world of Instagram awaits. Next, look for the camera icon in the top left corner of your screen or swipe right from anywhere in your feed. This will take you directly to the story creation interface. Here, you can capture a new photo or video, or choose from your gallery by swiping up. Select the content you want to share. This could be anything from a beautiful sunset to a fun moment with friends. Once you have your content ready, it's time to enhance it. You can add text, stickers, music, or even filters to make your story pop. Instagram offers a variety of creative tools to help you personalize your story and make it uniquely yours. Don't be afraid to experiment and have fun with it. Now that your story is looking great, it's time to share it. Click on the share icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen. This will open up options for sharing your story with different audiences. You can choose to share it with all your followers or select specific friends by tapping on their names. Finally, after selecting where you want to share your story, hit the share button. Your story will be live for 24 hours, allowing everyone you've chosen to see and engage with it. Remember that Instagram stories are a fantastic way to connect and interact with others, so encourage viewers to respond or react. And there you have it. Sharing your story on Instagram is an easy and enjoyable process. So go ahead, capture those moments, express yourself creatively, and let the world see what makes you unique. Happy sharing.